The Donner DLH-002 Lyre Harp uses a solid mahogany body and sturdy metal strings to produce a warm, clear tone that carries surprisingly well for such a compact instrument. Its 10-string layout in a straightforward major scale makes it very approachable for beginners and children who want to explore harp-style playing without feeling overwhelmed. Tuning is simple thanks to the included wrench and stable metal hardware, so once the strings are settled, it tends to hold pitch reliably between practice sessions. The smooth finish, carved contours, and ancient-inspired shape give it a visually striking look that feels special on a stand or in the hands. It comes with thoughtful accessories like a padded carrying bag, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth, which makes starting out much easier and more convenient. Overall, this lyre harp offers an appealing blend of build quality, playability, and aesthetics that suits first-time players as well as hobbyists looking for a portable folk instrument.